If I can make this make sense. This plate guides this pawl so that it opens up and engages the starter gear. Now the way it was sitting before, hang on, it was riding outside that plate, so it was always trying to engage that gear when it shouldn't be. So the starter gear would have been running like a ratchet when the bike was running. So I'll just put that back in. So it was all because that plate was sitting too close to the case. So I've packed that out so that when the shaft is all the way home, it now operates like it should. Hope that makes sense.